Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is the latest smartwatch from Samsung, launched in August 2022. It is Samsung's first smartwatch with an integrated biometric sensor, allowing you to comprehensively track your health. With Galaxy Watch 5, you can monitor your heart rate, blood pressure, body fat, menstrual cycle, and skin temperature. Additionally, Galaxy Watch 5 has a sleek and durable design, a sapphire crystal screen that is scratch-resistant, a larger battery, and faster charging, supports over 90 workouts, and many other smart features. Let's explore the details of this product together today. The Galaxy Watch 5 has not undergone many changes in terms of design compared to its predecessor. It still has a round face that is flat and harmoniously combined with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, creating a dynamic and modern feel when worn on the wrist. Samsung has also replaced the tempered glass material with sapphire glass for the Watch 5 generation, which increases the screen's durability, reduces the risk of cracking and scratching during use. You won't get bored with the 88 customizable interface versions that Samsung has equipped, including 8 completely new faces and 10 improved faces that allow you to easily change according to your personal preferences. You also don't have to worry about wearing the watch in the rain or swimming in shallow water thanks to its 5 ATM water resistance rating. Users should note not to press the adjustment buttons when using it in the sauna, hot tub, or while taking a hot shower. The flagship Samsung wearable always has features that make it stand out among the thousands of smartwatches on the market. The Galaxy Watch 5 will have a full range of health tracking features such as ECG, blood pressure, heart rate, step counting, blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, and more. In addition, the watch also tracks your sleep, analyzes and evaluates it through measuring blood oxygen saturation, and detects snoring to improve the quality of your rest. Overall, the Galaxy Watch 5 promises to be a smartwatch that helps you track your workouts, physical fitness, and overall health with many other smart features. I believe that this product is ready to satisfy even the most demanding users. And that's my personal review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 smartwatch. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support us in future videos. See you in the next video.